Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with some really lovely MagSafe wallets from the company Mujjo. These are their full leather magnetic wallets, and they are just fabulous. So you are looking at a beautiful quality leather here, full grain, vegetable tanned. This is a Danish calfskin, which has been tanned using a special dry tan process that doesn't use water, so that is really eco-conscious. Really nice leather here. And then you also have a microfiber lining on here. You've got silicone strips on the back, which help with the grip that this is going to have on your phone, although of course there's also magnets in here as well. And then you have three different ways to access your cards. You have a thumb slot here on the back. You can push them up from the bottom, and you can pull them from the top. So you don't necessarily have to remove this from your phone in order to access your cards. So I've got two beautiful colors to share with you today, Monaco blue and Livid green. Let's take a closer look. So first off, comparing the Mujjo Full Leather Wallet with Apple's MagSafe Wallet in leather from a few years ago. I don't have the most recent version of the Apple MagSafe Wallet, but I don't think that there is a big difference with the new ones. I think that there's been a downgrade actually, because Apple no longer makes a leather wallet for its MagSafe Wallet. They are now made of this material called FineWoven. So if you are looking for a leather wallet for your phone, then you really might want to consider Mujjo, because this Apple version in leather is no longer available. So size-wise, these are going to be pretty much the same, but your Apple version is just going to be a tiny bit smaller in all dimensions. Not so much with the thinness. I think actually the thickness is pretty much the same, but your Apple wallet is just going to be a little bit shorter and a little bit less wide. But it is a tiny, tiny difference. These are both going to have the same 3-card capacity, and they're both going to be MagSafe. You do have an improvement here in terms of the back of the wallet, in my opinion, with the Mujjo version, because you have silicone strips on here, which give it better grip, versus the completely smooth back that you have here with Apple's MagSafe Wallet. These both have a thumb slot on the back to help you push out your cards. However, your Mujjo version has 2 additional ways to get your cards out. You can push them up from the bottom, and you can pull them from the top. Whereas Apple's version, you really can't pull them from the top very easily because you just have a tiny spot there. So you're pretty much limited to using the thumb slot, which means you have to take the Apple MagSafe Wallet off in order to access your cards, and you don't necessarily have to do that with Mujjo's. So checking out the Mujjo wallet with some cards, this one has a 1 to 3 card capacity. And once they're in here, they are nice and tight, no issues there. So Mujjo has its own lovely leather cases, but I didn't get one of those this year from them, so I'm going to try this out with some other phone cases. This particular one is a Rhino Shield solid suit. It's got a nice color match, I think, with this Monaco blue Mujjo wallet. So once you put this on here, you've got a nice tight connection. I think everything seems great. Feels very, very secure. And as I mentioned before, you can access these from the front. You don't have to take this off, but you can also take it off and then push your cards up from there. So I think everything works well here. So if you wanted to compare this same arrangement here with Apple's wallet, putting these in the Apple MagSafe wallet and putting this one on the phone. So you do have that fun little attachment noise, which is great. But in terms of everything else, you can't really access them very well from the front. I mean, maybe, fine, maybe just the top one. But overall, the access from the front is not easy. You take it out and then access your cards that way. But other than that, I don't think that your connection is going to be quite as tight as it is with the Mujjo version, because you don't have those silicone strips on the back. But I don't think that you can complain about Apple's MagSafe Wallet. I do think it's nice, particularly in this leather version, which is no longer available. But given the fact that Mujjo's is less expensive and the leather version is not available anymore, I think that you have a lot to love here with Mujjo's version. So checking these two out with my caseless 16 Pro. So your Apple version is obviously going to work fine. but I don't think that you have as tight of magnetic connection on this naked iPhone with Apple's version. And you're also not going to have quite as good a connection with Mujjo's version either. So, I mean, it's good, but it's better when you have it with a case that has strong magnets, like this Rhino Shield case that I was just using. But it is certainly possible, if you like just using a naked iPhone, you can certainly use Mujjo's wallet with that. In fact, let's check it out in the other color that I have, this lovely Livid green. Putting this one on my naked iPhone. Again, cool look. And lots of functionality. Checking these out with some other cases that I have. I've got the Apple silicone case here and your Mujjo Full Leather Wallet in the Monaco blue. So great looking combo there. And again, a nice tight secure connection. And here we have a mouse limitless case in black leather and the Livid green Mujjo case. Got an attractive combo there. And again, nice connection. Very secure. We've also got this lovely Casetify case in their festive winter collection. I think the blue and the green are a nice combo. And again, nice connection. Very easy to access your cards. And then switching back to the Monaco blue here. Beautiful blue look here with the blue case and the blue wallet. Very attractive look. Lots of functionality. Overall, lots to love. So all in all, I think we have a really beautiful and useful product from Mujjo. I'm really loving that vegetable tanned full grain leather. I think it's great that this uses a water-free tanning process that's a lot more eco-friendly. Beautiful Danish calf skin here. I think that the addition of having these silicone stripes on the back is fantastic. Really helps this stick securely onto the back of your phone, and the magnets are good as well. You've got a lot of ways to access your cards, and there's a bunch of different colors to choose from. And I'm also loving the fact that this is less expensive than Apple's wallet, and Apple's wallet doesn't even come in leather anymore. So I think that there are a lot of reasons to go Mujjo. I think that the really big advantage that Apple's MagSafe Wallet has over the Mujjo wallet is that it has Find My. So you don't have Find My with these, but I think that a lot of people are going to appreciate the lower price point that this comes in at, as well as the fact that you get genuine high quality leather with this Mujjo product. So these are going to be available directly from Mujjo. The MSRP for the Mujjo Full Leather MagSafe Wallet is $44, but there are a lot of sales going on this time of year, and you probably can get it for a cheaper price. So it comes in black, the Monaco blue, and Livid green that we saw in this review, as well as dark tan, light tan, burgundy, and green smoke. There's another color, steel blue, but it is currently sold out. Many thanks to the kind folks at Mujjo for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions about these products or anything else, please feel free to put them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And do consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.